2K KAWA Mini 3 Pro, Tiny Dash Cam, Powerful Protection. Protect every journey with the smart, compact, and powerful dash camera designed for modern drivers. The 2K KAWA Mini 3 Pro dash cam delivers crystal clear video, intelligent voice control, and 24-hour parking protection, all packed into an ultra-small body that blends perfectly into your car interior. Whether you're commuting daily, driving long distances, or simply parking in busy areas, this advanced dash cam ensures every important moment on the road is recorded clearly and safely. Ultra-clear 2K video recording. Capture every detail on the road with high-resolution 2K recording. License plates, road signs, and unexpected incidents are recorded with impressive clarity, providing reliable evidence when you need it most. Sharp 2K video quality. Clear footage day and night. Wide coverage of the road ahead. Smart Wi-Fi and mobile app control. The KAWA Mini 3 Pro connects directly to your smartphone through Wi-Fi, allowing you to control and manage recordings easily. With the dedicated mobile app you can view live footage instantly. Download and share videos quickly. Adjust camera settings easily. Manage recordings without removing the memory card. Intelligent voice control. Keep your hands on the wheel and control your dash cam with simple voice commands. Just say the command and the camera can start or stop recording. Capture emergency footage. Take snapshots while driving. This hands-free control system improves safety and convenience while driving. 24-hour parking monitoring. Your car stays protected even when you are away. The 24-hour parking monitoring system automatically records when motion or impact is detected. Perfect for parking lots, street parking, overnight protection. If anything happens to your vehicle, you'll always have video evidence. Loop recording and auto emergency lock. The dash cam automatically records continuously with loop recording, ensuring you never run out of storage space. When a collision or sudden impact occurs, the G-sensor automatically locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten. Continuous recording. Automatic accident detection. Secure video evidence. Ultra Mini hidden design. The KAWA Mini 3 Pro features a compact and discreet design that fits neatly behind your rearview mirror. Tiny body, minimal distraction. Clean installation. Blends perfectly with your car interior. You get powerful recording without blocking your view. Why drivers choose KAWA Mini 3 Pro? 2K Ultra HD recording. Built-in Wi-Fi and mobile app control. Voice command operation. 24H parking surveillance. G-sensor emergency lock. Loop recording. Ultra-compact hidden design. This dash cam offers advanced protection, smart features, and peace of mind for every driver. Order now to get the best deals at the link in the video description. Upgrade your vehicle with the KAWA Mini 3 Pro Smart Dash Cam and drive with confidence knowing that every moment on the road is safely recorded. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.